Welcome back to JP Training. This video will teach you how to tear down our dunk tank. Let's dive into this tutorial. First step will be draining the tank. After the tank drains, you will start disassembly by removing the target plate. Next, remove the target vinyl. Fold and return it to the accessories bag. We will now remove the target arm. Just remove the pin underneath the arm to release it from the frame. The arm will be returned to this pinhole on the frame. Don't forget to return the pin to the arm. Now we will remove the adjustment pin from the frame. Return the pin to lock the frame in the lower position. Now remove the top section of the frame and rotate it 90 degrees before returning it back to the frame. Next, we will wrap the frame with the transport chains. Now flip the tank back on the wheels.
Nope.
You might need help flipping the tank. Finally, reattach the trailer hitch. Congrats, you are done with tear down. If you have any questions, reach out to a delivery or warehouse lead. Catch you in the next video.